Got a beautiful one today. 2012 Ford Mustang GT California Special. This thing is done up. In order to keep the video short here, under 15 minutes, I'll just leave the full build list of everything that's been done to this car in the description of the video so you can read through it. Save some time here. Tinted windows, aftermarket wheels, tires. Custom wing, splitters front and rear, custom exhaust. This one's equipped with the navigation, the bigger display screen here, 6-speed manual, power seats, leather seats. Corsa exhaust. Do it for Dale plate. That does not come with the car, unfortunately. Boss 302 kit under the hood. Some more pictures online as well of under the hood. This thing runs out great. Will not be here long. We have it listed at $17,988. Come check it out.